Pantropico eh. Okay, next number, do you have number 15? I'm looking forward to hearing and watching kids dance Pantropico and Viento. Yeah. Hi! How are you? Anong pangalan mo?
Althea, thank you,
Althea, ilang taon ka na? 6 years old. You are so pretty today. You're so fashionable. Who did this, your whole look? Sino ang nag-design ng look mo today?
Mama.
Nasaan si Mama? Where is Mama? Right there, Mama. What are you going to do? Are you going to dance?
Yes.
Okay. Si Mama din ba yung nagturo sa'yo magsayaw?
Ako.
Okay. Show everyone how good at you in dancing, okay?
Yes.
Okay, everyone, this is Althea. She's going to dance for us.